Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect NinjaTrader to TradingView. And if you want to do this, we go to tradingview.com and then we go to products where we can select right here supercharts. Then from here, what is important to know that if you want to connect right here NinjaTrader, we go right here to trade and then we search right here NinjaTrader. Then we click right here on NinjaTrader, and then what you need to decide for yourself if you want to connect a live account or a demo account. Let's do a live account, and then right now you need to fill in right here your NinjaTrader username, and then after that fill in right here your NinjaTrader password. Then once your username and password is correct, you click right here on connect and you can start trading on TradingView with your NinjaTrader account. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.